Welcome to Paid Family and Medical Leave. This video will show you how to file a weekly claim to receive your benefit payment. Weekly claims are how you receive your pay. Once your application has been approved, you can begin filing weekly claims. Weekly claims can also be filed for weeks you were on leave after you submitted your application, but before it was approved. You can file your weekly claim online or by phone, and you can go up to 4 weeks without filing and receive those payments retroactively. The week runs Sunday through Saturday, and you file after the week has ended. Let's get started. To start a weekly claim, log into your Paid Family and Medical Leave account. You will see a list of weeks on your homepage. Click Start Weekly Claim to submit a weekly claim. You will be taken to the earliest week that you can claim. You will report the hours that you worked in that week, and if you receive paid time off from your employer. If you use paid time off at the same time as paid family and medical leave, your benefit payment will be affected. Your employer may choose to offer additional pay to you while you are using paid family and medical leave, and this is called a supplemental benefit. Not all paid time off is a supplemental benefit, so you need to check with your employer if this is available to you. It is your employer's choice to offer a supplemental benefit, and your choice to take it if it is available. You do not need to report supplemental benefits on your weekly claim. To continue, read the consent disclosure, check the box, and click Submit. Click Home to go to the home page. You can check the status of your weekly claim from your home page. A payment will be issued within 14 days of a properly filed weekly claim. You will stop filing weekly claims when you no longer need to be on paid family and medical leave. You can find more information about our program, including additional tutorials at PaidLeave.wa.gov/technical-support. Thank you.